Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wrike for project request forms. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Wrike for project request forms, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Wrike website URL, which is www.wrike.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button, typically located at the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your work email address. Type in your professional email address and click Get Started. Next, you may need to create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the requirements shown on the screen. After setting your password, click on Create Account. Wrike will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the verification email from Wrike. Click on the link in the email to verify your address. Once your email is verified, return to the Wrike website. Log in using your work email and the password you created. Now you are inside your Wrike dashboard. To set up project request forms, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Request Forms in the Settings menu. Click on Request Forms to start the setup process. You will see options for creating new forms or customizing existing ones. Select Create New Form to begin building your project request form. Follow the prompts to add fields like project name, description, and you can also customize the form with additional questions to gather necessary information. Once you are satisfied with your form, click Save to finalize it. After saving, you can share the form link with your team for project requests. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Wrike and created a project request form. Now you are equipped to streamline project requests in your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.